It was reported that according to sources, the U.S. government obtained evidence suggesting some Chinese state-owned companies may be providing assistance of an economic as well as non-lethal military nature for Russia's war effort in Ukraine. The U.S. government has confronted the Chinese government to see if the latter is aware of that and warned China of the implications. Do you have any comment?
在乌克兰问题上
China's position on Ukraine has been objective and just. We always stand on the side of peace and have played a constructive role in advancing the political settlement of the Ukraine crisis. We are never a bystander, and we will never add fuel to the fire, still less exploit the crisis. The US is the one who started the Ukraine crisis and the biggest factor fueling it, and has kept sending heavy and assault weapons to Ukraine, which has only prolonged and intensified the conflict. Rather than reflecting on its own acts, the U.S. has been sowing paranoia and pointing fingers at China. We reject such groundless blackmail and would not sit by and watch the U.S. harm the legitimate rights and interests of Chinese companies. If the U.S. truly wants an early end to the crisis and cares for the lives of the Ukrainian people, then it needs to stop sending weapons and profiteering from the fighting. The U.S. needs to act responsibly by helping the situation de-escalate as soon as possible and create the necessary environment conditions for peace talks between the parties concerned.